check the flow meter readings now.
Flow rate is stable. We are good to proceed.
Monitor the automated valve sequence closely.
Roger that. The transfer volume looks good.
Batch 7 confirmation complete. Stabilizer levels are optimal.
Levels holding steady after immersion.
Good. The coating looks uniform.
Here we see the crucial dipping stage, where the coagulant-coated molds enter the liquid latex, ensuring a precise and uniform layer.
The coating is perfectly uniform now.
Excellent. Let's maintain this consistency for the 4K inspection.
Traveling through the heated tunnel at 40 degrees Celsius allows the silicone to fully absorb into the latex, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture.
The freshly powdered condoms now enter the multi-level drying racks. Here, precisely controlled.
This automated process utilizes high voltage circuits to ensure every single dried condom acts as a perfect insulator.
Resolution of the valve open sensors scan every sealed foil for seal cleatness, print alignment.
The cartons pass through the hot melt glue station,
where precise glue beads are applied, sealing the flaps securely.
Gas concentration holding steady at 500 ppm. Temperature and humidity are perfect.
Acknowledged. Data log updated for the cycle review.
The RFID tags on aisle 4 are showing a slight delay in movement.
Confirmed. I am adjusting the ASRS prioritization now.
In this climate-controlled facility, strict conditions ensure the integrity of both liquid latex reserves and
This factory's closed-loop system purifies all process water using massive filters and advanced UV units, resulting in crystal-clear output. To ensure medical-grade quality, the silicone lubricant undergoes continuous sterilization using inline UV light and microfiltration.
The tensile strength on this batch is remarkable.
And the thickness is consistently below 20 microns. We're ready for phase 2 trials.
Yep.
Check the lot number on the COFA.
Got it. Matches the batch record 45B.
Okay, let's file this one.
Reviewing the checklist confirms the required torque, and the panel is secure. The new component is installed correctly.
The throughput on line 3 stabilized right after the adjustment.
Good. Let's maintain this rate and cross-reference with the primary data stream.